Aloha, my name is Doña. I am your ukulista who brews you some nice, sweet, and tasty ukulele tutorials. But not today. Oops, how does it come? Because a sweet buddy of my 100 Days Ukulele community asked me for a review about my new strings. As you know me, or some people know me, I switched from standard ukulele to baritone, and I was searching and searching for some nice and sweet strings, but I tested all suitable strings on the market, and finally I ended up with regular guitar strings. So finally, it figured out I have a favorite brand called Savarez. It comes from France, and a German brand which is new in my new strings. It's Knobloch, and they produce their strings in Spain. And I did recordings with my other strings, so we can do comparison. At the moment, I have the Knobloch Eritago carbon strings on. They also exist as a nylon version, but I love to play the harmonics. So for harmonics, there are more suitable the carbon strings. It highlights them more. Yeah, in the scene at the moment, everybody says, yeah, ukulele is my favorite. But for me, not. For harmonics, yes. But for finger picking and strumming, they sound for me wishy-washy. But everybody has his own personal taste and kind of playing. So what is for me suitable mustn't be for you. Okay, I stop talking. So this is a mangowood fireball baritone ukulele from the company Flight. And these are the Eritago Knobloch carbon strings in middle high tension. They have a very, very strong sustain. Lovely. It's very, very interesting. I prefer to play with a lower action because of finger picking and too numb and stiff fingers. But I also love the Spanish style with the rasgueado and the triplet strum, which has more attack. So the danger of those strings with the high sustain and brightness, they can start rattling because of lower action. So you should better play them with higher action, but I don't do it anyway either. So how does it sound when I play like a Spanish style thing? It's my new song which I'm composing at the moment. I love how it's ringing and sustaining and has a kind of reverb and spiciness, but it's pretty bright and more like a attack sound. As a comparison, I show you the same track or the same part with the Savarez Jaune high tension strings and another track with the Savarez Alliance and or Alliance. It is French. And these, for in my eyes and my opinion, are the warmest, the brightest, and the most beautiful sounding strings. So listen to your heart, listen to yourself, make yourself your own decision, and I come back. Did you make a decision? Did you like the Knobloch or the Savarez Jaune high tension nylon strings? Or did you prefer the Savarez Alliance strings, a mix of carbon and nylon strings? And these are all guitar strings, and my favorite combination is 4-5 to 1. What does it mean? Guitar has 6 strings. We on the baritone ukulele play the 4 highest keys of the guitar. So I use like string number 5, 4, 2 and 1 from the guitar strings, because it matches and suits in the ukulele, and for me it's wonderful to play. So let me know in the comments below, how do you like guitar strings on a baritone ukulele? Would it be a possibility for you too, or you change like me totally to guitar strings? So I say strings are the taste of each person, and it also depends on the action, which means the height of the strings, how far it is from the fretboard. So there, and the wood and everything. So be careful what your purpose is, what you love with your fingertips to play, what kind of style you were playing. And if you have any further questions, feel free to contact me. And next time you're gonna get a tutorial again. Love you. Mwah. See you soon, Doña.